Six Assam police personnel were killed after Mizoram police allegedly opened fire on them amidst escalating interstate border clashes between the two northeastern states. Around 60 other people, including police and civilians, were injured in the incident. Incidentally, these fresh clashes come just days after Home Minister Amit Shah held discussions with the chief ministers of all the 8 northeastern states on amicably resolving simmering border disputes. Monday's clashes, which saw stones pelted, shots fired, huts set ablaze, and vehicles vandalized at the borders of Mizoram and Assam, were only the culmination of what has been boiling since last month. Tensions flared up in June, with Mizoram accusing Assam of encroaching upon its land in the Kolasib district. Assam hit back, accusing Mizoram of building structures and planting betel nut and banana saplings, allegedly 10 km inside Hailakandi district. Assam police were then accused of destroying crops belonging to Mizo farmers at the borders. Towards the end of June, Assam police went on to allegedly take control over the Aitlang Nar area by setting up police posts to prevent Mizoram from encroaching further on their territory. Following this, the Mizoram police also set up temporary camps at Kutkuti village near the border. Efforts from officials of both states to hold discussions and find a peaceful solution resulted in a stalemate, with Assam refusing to withdraw from the area. On July 10, crops and betel nut trees belonging to a Mizoram farmer were damaged during an eviction drive by Assam police, amidst which a grenade was allegedly hurled on an Assam government team visiting the border. On July 25, tensions escalated further after 8 farm huts belonging to Mizo farmers were burned down, leading to full-blown clashes and violence on the 26th. This is not the first time that clashes have erupted between these two states. The border dispute between Assam and Mizoram spans back to generations, with such violence boiling over from time to time. Similarly, such clashes in recent times took place in October 2020 when residents of Assam and Mizoram clashed over territory, in which at least 8 people were injured and a few huts and small shops were torched. Earlier, another major clash took place in 2018 when a wooden rest house for farmers in a forest at the border was razed down by the Assam police and forest department officials who claimed it had been built in their territory. The dispute between these two states is over a century old and dates back to the pre-independence era from 146 years ago. In 1875, the British had determined the boundary between Mizoram and Assam under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation. The British undertook this exercise for their own commercial benefits to ensure that Mizo tribes living in the borders did not encroach on their tea estates in Assam, while also giving the tribes their due recognition by demarcating their territory. This demarcation was later revised in 1933 when the constitutional map was drawn. The point of contention between these states are these British-era regulations. While Assam recognizes the 1933 declaration, Mizoram follows the 1875 regulation on grounds that the 1933 declaration did not involve discussions or consent from the Mizo community. Mizoram, which now shares a 164.6 km border with Assam, was initially a part of Assam till 1972. It was classified as a union territory in 1972 and in 1987 was declared a state. The move to carve out Mizoram as a separate state was a result of the 1962 border conflict with China and numerous other ethnic insurgencies that threatened the unity and integrity of the country. The government's move was an attempt to integrate these vulnerable regions into Indian mainland while also making room for ethnic identities to be recognized and given a space to thrive. Mizoram has, however, continued to claim that several Mizo-speaking districts had become a part of Assam during the post-independence demarcation. Several dialogues have been held since 1995 to resolve the border dispute, but none have yielded any results. In 2005, the Supreme Court suggested that the central government form a boundary commission to resolve the dispute. Several commissions have been formed since, but merely as a futile exercise. It remains to be seen if the BJP, which is part of both the governments in Assam and Mizoram, can manage to find a middle ground and resolve the interstate border feud. A Federal Report.